Teacher, I've taught you for 3 years, instructing you in my poison clan techniques. We live here in seclusion, so we can talk about the plan. But the point is, I had pupils once.
Is that a fact? What are their names? Where are they?
I don't know their names now. When they left, they all took new names, as the whole idea was to keep their identities a close secret.
Flash on them now. Yo, I got the drop on you, don't flinch. Pop niggas like John Lynch. Leave niggas in they own stench. I'm a light drinker, heavy smoker, known for dumping show promoters. Pass the money over, my whole crew is ex-cons. Be alarmed when you hear the it's on. Silverback niggas under the stairs. When we link up, we travel in pairs.